Good evening parents. Today we are going to organize class 4 debate. क्लास 4 का डिबेट हम लोग पहली बार ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हैं इन कैंडिडेट्स के साथ. पहले कैंडिडेट्स अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे वन बाय वन. यस, टेबल नंबर 1.
Sir, myself Fansma from standard 4.
Myself Tapsir Ahmad from class 4.
Myself Nati Patel from class 4.
Myself Vishal Patel from class 4.
Myself Ashish Mat from class 4. Myself Ashira Kumari from class 4.
Myself Nidhi Patel from class 4.
Myself Chandni Kumari from class 4.
ओके, तो ये रहे हमारे 8 कैंडिडेट्स. ये जो साइंस का डिबेट होने वाला है इनके एकेडमिक बुक जो है उसी से होने वाला है. ये दो पार्ट में हमने बांटा है. पहला पार्ट जो होगा आपका एमसीक्यू पार्ट होगा. फिर सेकेंड पार्ट जो होगा हम लोग सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन आंसर बेस्ड होगा. ओके, तो टेबल नंबर 1 चांदनी कुमारी से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. Yes, question पढ़िए और आंसर दीजिए. ऑप्शन.
All living organisms need food to survive. Bread, wheat, and potato are rich in carbohydrates.
Very good.
The food we eat on a regular basis forms our balanced diet.
The food we eat on a regular basis forms our balanced diet. Right है?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
आपको खुद विश्वास नहीं है.
Excess carbohydrates are normally stored in body as fats.
एज फैट्स. चारों राइट है उनका. वेरी गुड. सेकेंड कैंडिडेट निधि कुमारी. क्वेश्चन पढ़िए.
Which type of house is called house of wheels? Caravan. Option number C.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी कारवां. ओके, सेकेंड.
Which of the following fiber is not obtained from animal? Option number C.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी पॉलिस्टर. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Which of these does not absorb sweat? Cotton.
कॉटन डज नॉट ऑब्जर्व स्वेट.
Wrong.
रॉन्ग है. आप बताइए एमसी का.
Yes sir, sorry, wrong sir.
यस.
Rayon.
रेयन. रेयन जो है एक आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर है जो स्वेट को पसीने को ऑब्जर्व नहीं करता. फोर्थ.
Which of these clothes are very delicate?
वेरी डेलिकेट. कौन सा क्लॉथ है? आपके बुक से है ये सारा.
Cotton clothes.
कॉटन क्लॉथ. राइट आंसर इनका.
Yes sir.
ओके, फिफ्थ.
Clothes do not protect us thief. Option
क्लॉथ डू नॉट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम थीफ. वेरी गुड. ऑल राइट है उनका. तालियां. ओके, थर्ड कैंडिडेट अंशिका कुमारी. क्वेश्चन रीड करिए.
Plants is called a pull or push. Option number 1 force. The force by which the earth pulls object toward itself is called gravitational force.
Very good.
Which of these is used by plants during the process of photosynthesis? Solar light. B.
सोलर एनर्जी.
Yes.
ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Okay. Knife is an example of veg. B number.
Veg is right answer. Next, seizure is an example of
Veg. C. Wrong answer.
Wrong, sir.
yes, Nidhi.
B number level.
Option number B.
Absolutely right.
Okay, एक wrong हुआ इनका. Next candidate. First question.
Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Answer number B. Which of these can make its own food? Question is answer 1. Neem tree. The
Okay.
color of chlorophyll is green.
Right answer.
The leaves have tiny pores called stomata. C.
Stomata. बिल्कुल right है.
Plants store extra food in the form of starch.
Starch. All right. Very good. Next candidate है वंश कुमार. Question पढ़िए. नहीं दिख रहा है.
No sir.
सामने अजीत. सामने पढ़िए.
Plants that grow on lands are known as terrestrial plants.
Terrestrial plant. Okay. Next.
Second question. Vitelliculus is a floating plant. Option number A.
Very good.
Question number 3. Which of these is an example of underwater plants? Option number C, hydrilla.
Hydrilla, right hand.
O, insectivorous plants generally grow in mineral deficient area. Option number B.
Okay.
Plants growing in marshy areas are mangroves. Option number C.
Mangrove, all right है. Very good. आपको दिख रहा है? Next candidate, तफसीर अहमद. Which of these is aquatic animal?
Bear. Option number B.
Bear aquatic animal है, पानी में रहता है.
नहीं, octopus.
Octopus is right answer. अच्छे से पढ़ के बोलेंगे. Yes, second. Camel can drink.
Option number B.
Option number B. 15 liter of water. Okay. Third.
Ability of
Question पढ़िए, जोर से पढ़िए.
ability to marriage with the surrounding is called adaptation.
The ability to merge with surrounding is called adaptation. Right answer. Next.
The long sleep of animal during the cold season is called option number C.
Option number C, migration is wrong answer. Yes, nothing.
Option number B, hibernation.
Option number B, hibernation. Hibernation is right answer. Next. Which of these is not an omnivorous?
Frog. Option number B.
Frog is not omnivorous. Is right answer. Okay, एक wrong हुआ इनका. Next, नैतिक. Question पढ़िए.
The phenomenon by which a living organism produces a new individuals. Option number B, reproduction.
Option number B, reproduction is right answer. Second,
The larva of housefly is called maggot.
maggot. Option number 1 is also right. Third,
What is a baby fish called? Option number B, fry.
baby fish called fry is right answer. Fourth,
Frog lay their eggs in large cluster called option number B, swans. Right.
option number B is sponge. Okay, right. Fifth,
The caterpillar slowly changes its shape in
caterpillar slowly change its shape into.
option number B,
Option number B, cocoon. Cocoon is wrong answer. Pupa.
Yes,
Pupa
sir.
is right answer. Cocoon एक होता है, फिर cocoon, फिर pupa, फिर caterpillar बंदे. Okay, next. Last candidate. आइए सामने आइए. वैसे आइए, हाँ. पढ़िए वहाँ से.
which of the following called morning star?
Morning star.
Mars.
Mars is not a morning star.
Sir.
नहीं, हमने बोलना है.
Sir.
चलिए अंशिका बताएंगी.
Venus.
Venus. Venus is right answer. Venus is called morning star and also evening star. Second, the hottest planet is also wrong.
Sir.
Yes, तफसीर अहमद.
Venus.
Venus is also hottest star. सबसे गर्म नहीं, sorry, planet. Hottest planet. Third, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Is right. Fourth, coldest planet. Neptune is right answer. Next, which of these is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is right. Very good. दो रंग हुआ इनका. Okay. तो MCQ पार्ट हमने पूरा किया. अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, ठीक है? 1 by 1 जो है हम लोग क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे. पहले टेबल नंबर 1 चांदनी कुमारी शुरू करेंगे. What are nutrients?
The food that we eat contains some essential substance are called nutrients.
Very good. The food in which
Contains some
contains some
essential substance.
essential substance is called nutrients. Okay, Nidhi.
A balanced diet contains a proper amount of the all nutrients as carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals.
Etc. Okay. Third, how can we preserve food?
We can preserve uncooked and cooked food. Both.
Sir,
और ऐड करना चाहती है? चलिए निधि बोलना चाहती है.
like
Like
Pickle
pickle.
food,
हो गया?
cooking food.
Okay. Next. What are protective food?
Rice, lace, yeast, pulse are rich in vitamins are called protective foods.
Yes, tell me.
Fresh fruit, vegetables, milk, meat. Fresh fruit, vegetable, milk, meat, and vitamins, minerals are called protective food.
And also those foods who protect us from being ill, जो हमें बीमारी से बचाते हैं, प्रोटेक्टिव फूड्स होते हैं, डिजीज से बचाते हैं. ओके. Once. Why should we include vitamin in our diet?
We should include vitamin in our diet because vitamin helps our body to protecting our from diseases.
हाँ, कोई और ऐड करना चाहता है? Yes, अंशिका.
We should include vitamin in our diet because vitamin help us to fight against disease.
वही बात है, आपने वही बोला. ओके. राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट. What is the function of small intestine?
Small intestine is 7.5 meter long. It is a food digestion of pipe and
सही से नहीं आया आंसर. चलिए आप बताएंगे.
Small intestine here is food converted into a simple forms like a projectors called villi. Small intestine is 7.5 meter long.
Yes. Okay. Next, Magic. How are teeth important to us? Name the two set of teeth.
teeth important to us because we should cut, tear, chew and grind the food. There are two set of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth.
सीजर और इंसीजर का बताना है. टीथ के होते हैं ना टाइप. परमानेंट.
वही
अच्छा वो था परमानेंट और
temporary teeth.
ओके. नेक्स्ट. Why should we chew our food properly?
We should chew our food properly because we got nutrient properly and we got nutrient properly and we become very healthy.
और
It helps to
it helps to. ओके, किसे आ रहा है? चलिए निधि बताएंगे.
We chew our food properly because it helps our digestion in our body.
It also help in digestion and also it gives essential nutrients. Chandni Kumari, next question. Name the different type of teeth and state their function.
There are different types of teeth. First canines, first incisor, second canines, third premolars, fourth molars.
And also state their function.
Canines. It helps us to grinding and chewing the food.
Grinding and chewing. Okay. Next. Premolar क्या करता है?
Incisor. It helps us to chewing and cutting the food. Molars. They help us to chew.
कौन बताएगा बिना रुके? चलिए वंश बताएंगे.
There are different types of teeth and their function. First, incisor. It is used to cutting and biting the food. Second, canines. It is used for cleaning and chewing the food. Third, premolar. It is used for grind and chew the food. And last, molars are used to grinding and chewing the food also.
Okay, very good. Next, निधि से पूछेंगे. What are microbes? Name different kind of microbes.
Microbes are teeny bacteria.
Tiny bacteria.
Teeny bacteria. Some bacteria was useful and some bacteria was dangerous.
Dangerous. Okay.
There are four kind of microbes.
हाथ नीचे रखिए अभी इनको बोल रही हैं तो थोड़ा
First, protozoa, fungi.
कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है आपका. चलिए अंशिका बताइए.
Microbes are very tiny organisms that can be not seen by eyes. They can only seen by microscope. There are four kinds of microbes. First, bacteria. Second, protozoa. Third, virus. And fourth, fungi.
फंगी. ओके बिल्कुल राइट है. नेक्स्ट आप ही का नंबर है. क्वेश्चन. हाउ आर माइक्रोब्स बेनिफिशियल इन द फूड इंडस्ट्री?
Microbes are beneficial in the food industry because some microbes are not bad. They help to us just like it used to make soft bread.
सॉफ्ट ब्रेड बनाने के लिए भी चाहिए.
And
ओके.
milk changed into curd.
मिल्क को कर्ड में चेंज करने के लिए
बैक्टीरिया चाहिए.
यूज होता है.
Yes.
और
Milk into curd.
चलिए इतना ही था. नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन पक्का हाउस एंड कच्चा हाउस?
The difference between Pakka house and Kacha house, because Pakka house is made of bricks, cement, rods, and etc. Because Kacha house is not a strong house because they made by muds, bricks,
bamboos. Okay, nice. Next, once. Give two example of temporary house.
Horse and caravan are the two examples of temporary house.
Horse and caravans. Next. How are clothes useful to us? Name two synthetic fiber.
Clothes are very useful to us because we wear cloth and cloth are very useful to us. We wear clothes and there are two synthetic rayon and nylon are two example of synthetic fiber.
Okay, नैतिक कुछ बोलना चाहते थे, बोलिए.
Cloth useful to us because it protect us cold, heat, rain, etc. And it cover our body. And rain and it cover our body.
It cover our body. Okay, two synthetic fiber. नायलॉन और
rayon.
पॉलिस्टर ये होता है. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Why do some people wear special clothes?
Some people wear special clothes. We wear clothes on home at different ones at party and other occasions. When we go to the bed.
डिफरेंट ओकेजन में डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट. हाउ कैन वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर क्लोथ्स?
We take care of our clothes because we take care of our clothes to wash and keep them careful. Keep them careful in keep them careful in bag.
कोई और बोलना चाहेगा? यस चांदनी.
We can take care of our clothes. We can take care of our clothes. Good detergent. We wash it. We can wash it properly.
Wash properly with good detergent and dry properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And iron.
And iron properly. Okay, Chandni. Question. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer?
The clothes do we wear clothes in summer because clothes
किस प्रकार का कपड़े पहनते हैं समर में?
cotton cloth because cotton cloth our body cool.
Keep our body cool and observe our sweat. Okay, Nidhi. What is force? Define various type of force.
A force is a push or pull are called force. Force have three kind. First, gravitational force. Second, frictional force. Third, muscular force.
Right hand.
Define.
Next, Ansika. What is simple machine? Name 5 main simple machine.
Simple machine make our life easier. Wedge, pulley, lever, axis.
And
So, can I try that?
yes.
Simple machine make our life easier. There are 5 types of a simple machine. First, pulley. Second, wedge, axis, wheel,
Lever.
Lever. Okay. Next.
Screw.
Screw. What is energy? Name various form of energy.
Energy required to do all kinds of works. Solar energy, wind energy, and water energy.
Solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. Okay. Once. Define work.
In our daily life, we do some activities and say we have done the work. There are 2 conditions to be work should be done. First, force should be act on object. Second, object should be much displaced.
Name the force that oppose movements.
Friction is the force that opposes movement.
Very good. Friction is the force who oppose movements. Okay. Next. Define water energy. How it is used to produce electricity.
Water energy is the in use in water. It is used to many energy and it gives us electricity. It produce electricity in many way. Means dams and
चले और कोई बोलना चाह रहा है क्वेश्चन? कोई ऑडियंस में से? चलिए छोड़िए once ही है सिर्फ.
The following water has also energy called the water energy. The water energy of dams rotate the turbines of generator to produce electricity.
And also steam energy. वाटर को स्टीम करके एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. Okay, next. Define matter. Give 2 example of matter. सब बुक का है, सिलेबस भी कंप्लीट है, एनुअल एग्जाम भी पास है. सोचना नहीं है इसमें. Define matter. Give 2 examples of matter.
We can say the occupy a space and has mass each called matter. Air and water are the example of matter.
Air and water are the 2 example of matters. Next. Write the name of all the 3 states of matter.
solid, liquid, gas.
पूरा बताइए. The name of all the 3 states of matter are कौन सा है?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Solid, liquid and
Gas.
gas. Okay. Next, Charlie. Differentiate between soluble and insoluble substances. Soluble and not insoluble. पास भी कर सकते हैं. पास सही है. चलिए अंशिका हाथ उठाइए पहले.
The substance that dissolve in a liquid, it is called soluble, and The substance that cannot dissolve in a liquid, it is called insoluble substance.
बिल्कुल इजी है.
Yes, sir.
जो लिक्विड में घुल
घुल
जाए
जाए,
वो
उसे
soluble
solve कर
ना घुले.
insoluble.
Next, Nidhi, define the term solute, solvent and solution.
Solute is dissolved. Solute is dissolved in water, and solvent is not dissolved by water and solution. Solvent and solute as mixed are called solution.
Okay, once, बोलिए.
The substance that dissolves in a liquid is known as solute. For example, sugar and salt. And the liquid substance that dissolves the substance in it is known as solvent. And the liquid which we get from the mixed solute and solvent is known as solution.
Easy.
Yes.
जो घुल जाए वो solute, जिसमें घुले वो solvent और जो mixture बने वो
Solution.
Okay. Next. Write any 3 properties of gases.
Gas do not have the fixed shape. They are available to fill blank space, and their molecules are very weak, so they move freely.
Very good. First, इन्होंने क्या बोला?
Gas do not have
Gas do not have
their shape.
fixed shape.
fixed shape. Shape अलग-अलग होता है और उनके molecule भी weak होते हैं. Next, what is chlorophyll?
The chlorophyll is a green pigment that projects in the leaf and make them green.
What is its color?
Its color is green.
Its color is green. Very good. Next, how will you taste sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis?
We can take the sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis. First, we should take a potato plant in a dark room for 24 hours. We cover the one healthy leaf with black strips. After 24 hours, we plug the which covered and wash it properly and boil it in water and again place it in alcohol, and we put some drops of iodine on it. We would get the covered part of leaf does not change into blue black as there is no starch in it.
Okay, very good. Next, how do plants use their food?
Plant use their food by leaf. It make food from fruits.
From fruits?
Fruits.
Yes, Natik.
Plant use their food with the help of water, air, carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll.
Sunlight.
This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, next, स्टोर कहाँ करते हैं फूड को? स्टार्च के रूप में. What is the function of stomata?
The plant breathes the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through the stomata.
Next, explain the process of photosynthesis.
The photosynthesis is
हाथ नीचे करिए, वो बोल रहे हैं तो.
make by the air, sunlight, air, sunlight, water, air, sunlight, water, and
कौन बोलना चाहेंगे?
sir,
चलिए आप बोलिए.
The process of making food by the sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water.
sir,
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, एयर नहीं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड सनलाइट इज नेसेसरी फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस. बोलना चाहते हैं? यस.
the process of photosynthetic making food by plant using sunlight, air, carbon dioxide, water, etc. And photo means light and synthetic means to make.
Yes. बोला जाता है.
Yes. The process in which plants make their food by the use of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Okay. Next. How are plants and animals depend on each other?
The plants and animals depend on each other because plants make their food with the help of starch and the animal depend habitat on its
On its. Okay, Ansika.
Plants and animals dependent on each other because plants breathe carbon dioxide and animal breathe oxygen, and animals eat plants to survive. That's why plants and animals dependent on each other.
एनिमल्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं जो कि प्लांट्स क्या
लेते हैं
इनहेल करते हैं और ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज एडाप्शन और व्हाट बेसिस कैन डिफरेंट प्लांट बी क्लासिफाइड?
Adaptation is very necessary for all living beings because animal and human suit their surroundings is called adaptation.
Yes. Anybody else? दो ही. चलिए नैतिक बताएंगे.
The specific feature or certain habits which enable a plant or animal on its surrounding is called adaptation. A basic can different plant be classified the different climatic condition.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Next. What are mangroves? किनका है? अंशिका. What are mangroves?
Mangroves are the tree that grow in the clay and sticky area, and their roots are above the soil. Are called mangroves.
Very good.
And-
But a correction, mangrove are not tree, it's forest. A type of forest. Yes.
It grow in marshy areas.
Grow in marshy area. जहाँ पानी ज्यादा हो, दलदली इलाके हो, वहीं पे होता है. इनका रूट जो होता है वो
ऊपर
ऊपर होता है, वाटर के ऊपर होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट. What are the floating plants? Name of floating plants.
The plant that grow on the surface of water is called floating plant. Duckweed and water lettuce is the example of
Floating plant. Okay. Next, once. How does a pitcher plant trap insects?
Pitcher plants trap insects by their hollow bones which fill with nectar. Insects comes to lead their leaves, but their leaves are closest and they downward and digested by the food by the plant's instinct.
Very good. Next. What are breathing roots? How do these help the marshy plants?
Breathing roots is breathe in roots and marshy plants are grow in marshy areas means mangroves, and mushroom is grow in marshy area.
Okay, once.
The roots of mangroves which grow above the soil is known as breathing roots because air cannot reach to their roots, and these roots help the marshy plants to take breath properly.
Okay. Next. Medic. Why is the adaptation necessary for all living beings?
Adaptation necessary for all living things because it live in our surrounding and climatic condition. It have habitat for live.
कोई और बोलना चाहेगा? Why is adaptation necessary for all living beings? Yes, Nidhi.
Adaptation is very necessary for all living beings because all living beings are affected the surroundings and uh, uh, and so
They cannot survive without adaptation. Okay? Okay, next. What are amphibians? How are they differ from aquatic animals?
the animals which live in only water that are called amphibians. They are very different from aquatic animals. Aquatic animals which
Wrong है आपका. जो सिर्फ वाटर में रहे वो एम्फीबियन.
move on water only.
हाँ तो ऐसे बोले. फिर से बोलिए.
The animals which live on water and land they are called amphibians, and the animals which live in only water they are called aquatic animals.
Yes, only in water called aquatic animals. Okay, next. How is a camel adapted to live in a hot desert?
The camel adapted to live in a hot desert because the camel is a sheep of deserts and the camel
Anybody else? Yes, Tafsir.
Camel adapted to live in a hot desert because camel is a sheep of desert. A camel has a habitat to live in hot desert. Its habit.
Yes, Natik.
Camel adapted to live in hot desert. It have padded feet to move on sand. Camel can drink 50 liter water in one gulp.
In a one gulp.
It have stored on our hump.
बिल्कुल राइट आंसर है. पैडी फुट होते हैं, पैर होते हैं, साथ ही साथ वो 50 लीटर पानी एक साथ ही पी सकता है. Because in desert there is scarcity in water. Yes.
And they can live without food and water many days.
Many days without food, yeah, we see water.
Water. Because
Without water
Without
for
water.
many days. Okay, next. What do you understand by parasites? Parasites.
Some animals are dependent on each other or not food make their own. It's called parasite.
Ansika.
Parasites are very small organisms that depend on other living beings like humans, birds, and etc. They are bug, housefly, and mosquito. etc.
राइट है. जो दूसरे एनिमल पे डिपेंडेंस हो, पैरासाइट्स. नेक्स्ट. Why do some animals mimic other animals?
Some animals mimic other animals because they protect ourselves.
To protect themselves. Okay. Next. Explain the process of reproduction.
Reproduction is a basic phenomenon by a new individuals.
फिर से.
Reproduction is a basic phenomenon by which is a new individuals.
Okay. Yes. Once.
Reproduction is the basic phenomenon by which living organisms produce their new individuals.
Young ones.
Yes,
New
young
individuals. Yeah, young ones. Okay. Next. Explain the structure of an egg with the help of a diagram. Sorry. ये diagram बनाना. ये next. What do you mean by metamorphic? Discuss metamorphosis in frog.
The changing of a young tadpole into an adult frog is known as metamorphosis. Discuss metamorphosis in frog. First egg lay their eggs in the crystal form of spawns in the water, and after some times it changes into early tadpole and again in late tadpole, and then it becomes an adult frog.
Very good. Next. What are the various changes which the eggs of a frog undergo before becoming an adult frog? जो इन्होंने बताया वही बताना है.
First egg and after then
Tadpole, early tadpole.
early tadpole, फिर after बेटा नहीं
बताइए नैतिक आ रहा है, बोलिए. वेरियस चेंजेस विच द एग ऑफ अ फ्रॉग अंडरगो, कैसे वो अंडे से कैसे वो बनता है एक एडल्ट फ्रॉग.
Egg after then the early tadpole and after then late tadpole and become an adult.
After that it became adult frog. Okay, next. How many stages are there in the life of cycle of a housefly?
There are 4 stages in the life cycle of housefly. पहला egg, उसके बाद maggot, फिर after then pupa become an adult housefly.
Okay. Right answer?
Yes, sir.
Next. What is astronomy?
The people which study
इजी नर्वस मत हुई, आराम से बोलिए. हाँ, स्टडी क्या स्टडी करते हैं?
heavenly
bodies like planet.
Yes, sir. Universe.
Okay, निधि बोलना चाहती है, निधि की तरफ घुमाइए.
Astronomy is the branch of science to study of heavenly bodies is called astronomy.
Okay, अभी बोलना चाहते हैं, बोलिए.
The branch of science that deals with the study of heavenly bodies is known as astronomy.
एस्ट्रोनॉमी. ओके, वही आंसर हुआ. अब हम पूछेंगे, जिसको आंसर आएगा वो हाथ उठाएंगे. ओके,
Yes, sir.
मैं पूछूंगा उससे. क्वेश्चन पढ़िए सभी, पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, बिना क्वेश्चन पढ़े मत उठाइए, वरना पेनल्टी भी है. चलिए ऋतुराज बताएंगे.
The sun and the 8 planets are called solar system. The Mars is a red planet.
यस नैतिक.
The solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and with their moon. Mars is the red planet.
Okay, next. What object can you see in the night sky? Yes, Chandni.
Star.
पूरा बोलिए.
The star can see in the night.
बस स्टार ही दिखते हैं नाइट में.
Star and moon.
यस बोलिए.
A group of stars and a moon you can observe of in the night.
यस अंशिका.
We see moon and twinkling stars in night at night in the
Sky.
Night
in the sky.
We can also see some planets
Some planets.
Yes.
like evening star, morning star, Venus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. What is heavenly bodies? Give the name of some heavenly bodies. हाथ उठाएंगे जिसे आ रहा है, दिखा दीजिए एक बार सबको. What is heavenly bodies? Give the name of some heavenly bodies. दो लोग उठाए. चलिए वंश आप बताइए.
The objects that we see in the sky is known as heavenly bodies, like stars, sun, moon, and planets.
Meteoroids, asteroids,
Yes, sir.
etc. Okay. Second last question. इसके बाद last question पूछेंगे. Okay. What is constellation? Constellation.
Sir.
एक सेकंड, हाथ उठाए रहिए, हम बोलेंगे अभी. निधि बोलेंगी.
A group of a group of stars and a large cluster is called
Group
constellation.
of stars which form a pattern
Yes,
is called constellation. Last question. What is a star? Why do we see it at night? Chandni Kumari.
The star is a like plane and
क्या बोलिए? The star is like clay.
Twinkling in the sky.
twinkly in the sky. We see the star in night.
The star is a heavenly body which is very far from us.
Yes, sir.
In night when sun set, we can see stars.
Stars at night.
ऐसे हाथ उठा के बोल नहीं पा रही है, आ रहा है तभी हाथ उठाएंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अच्छा चलिए एक और. How does change in seasons take place due to the movement of the earth? क्वेश्चन पढ़िए. How does change in season take place due to the movement of the earth? नैतिक बताएंगे.
The season take place due to movement of the earth. Movement to the earth, it causes the revolution.
तो कैसे होता है? रेवोल्यूशन के कारण होता है.
And around the sun.
हाँ.
Around the sun.
यस बताइए वंश.
The change of season take place due to the movement of the earth by the revolution of the earth around the sun, and it also tilt on its axis.
And sometimes earth is far from sun,
Sun.
and
Yes, sir.
sometimes it's near.
Yes.
That's why season change.
Season change.
Okay. So हमने क्लास 4 का डिबेट किया. बच्चों ने अच्छा जवाब दिया. कुछ बच्चे फंसे भी थे, कुछ नर्वस भी हो सकते हैं. उसी के कारण बच्चों का आंसर कुछ का नहीं आया. बाकी सब अच्छा था. हम लोग रिजल्ट का अनाउंसमेंट कुछ देर बाद करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.